Hi. Microcontrollers are around us everywhere. Just look in your kitchen. Your blender, like this, might have one. Even your toaster may have one. Definitely your stove, maybe even your fridge, your microwave oven, your clothes washer and dryer, all of those things will have microcontrollers in them. They're all around us. If you're driving a car that's maybe 5 to 10 years old even, would have some microcontrollers in it running the car, various operations in the car. And most certainly modern cars today have a computer of some sort running the engine. So no wonder there's such an interest in microcontrollers amongst the hobbyists these days. I'm a radio amateur operator, and my radio has a microcontroller in it. There's another radio here, microcontroller run. This one as well. And this one is quite old. It was probably made in the late 80s. So no wonder there's such an interest in the hobbyist community for playing around with something like the Arduino. I'm going to present a series of tutorials here to help people learn a bit more about using microcontrollers for their hobby, to learn more about them, also to actually make useful products. These video tutorials will go through the basics of a microcontroller, how to interface to it, that is, how to connect it to the real world so that it can control something outside of the microcontroller, and how to connect something so that it can read information in from the outside world and actually do something useful. In my first set of videos here, I'll go through some basic interfacing concepts. We'll talk a bit about the software, and we'll produce a project that will be something useful, and it'll be a simple digital voltmeter, which I have installed in my bench power supply here. I built the power supply years ago, and I got tired of having to grab my multimeter every time I wanted to set the voltage. I don't know if you can see that very clearly. So one day I just dug into my junk parts box, found a microcontroller that I wasn't using, a couple of 7-segment LED displays, and I put together a voltmeter. It's a very simple project, but it involves a lot of concepts that you have to understand, how to interface to a microcontroller, multiplexing, writing software, etc., etc. So I plan to do the same thing using an Arduino to make a 4-digit voltmeter, just like this one up here. So stay tuned. I hope to have videos out every week or two, or maybe a little longer. This isn't my full-time job, so I have to squeeze it in between going to work every day. So I hope you enjoy what you see here, and give me some feedback. I need some ideas on what else I could do, other videos that you might be interested in. So thanks for watching. We'll see you.